These will become very collectible, and they'll also become very special if you love that gorgeous basket weave pattern. Now, this is not just one piece, it's 10 pieces. 10 total pieces of Temp-tations, and you're going to get it all for the today only price of $83.80. Ordinarily at retail, $111.54. We're $27.74, but remember, all culinary items tonight until end of day today are free shipping. So now we're going to give you $35.24 less, delivered straight to your door with free shipping and handling. Now, you're going to get all 10 pieces, but before we go through those, let's invite in Tara Tesher, because I know she'll want to narrate for us and get us through all 10 pieces. She's joining us now live via Skype from her home kitchen. Tara, always a pleasure to have you back. What is that on your head? Is that a little present?
It's just a little headband. You know, I love a theme like you do. So I figured we were getting ready for the holidays and baking, so this is the perfect way to do that.
I love it. I love it, my darling. So let's take everybody on a tour of what's in this 10-piece set. We could either use your set or mine. Which would you rather?
No, let's use your set. I would love to use your set. That would be great.
So do you want to start with the largest?
Yeah, that would be great. So let's start with the single most requested, most used baking dish in the kitchen, and that's going to be our 4-quart 13x9 baker. David, I'm sure you feel the heft of it, the weight of it. This is our Basketweave. Completely sculptural, 360 degrees around that beautiful baker. You have layer upon layer of not only sculptural detail, but hand painting. We start with that Basketweave. We have the tea stain on top, and then we have the pop of the color that you see on all the individual flowers. We included your liddet. What's a liddet? Well, it's a cookie sheet, it's a cutting board, it's a serving platter. You can use it for a lid on top of that baker, but you can also use it for a trivet underneath, and it drops right down inside the carrier. Just these 3 pieces alone are fantastic. But we also included your second most requested baking piece, and that's your 11x7. 2.5-quart total capacity, snap-on storage cover, helper handles, hand-painted inside, sculptural detail on the outside. We couldn't leave out 2 of our 1.5-quart bakers. Love these for, again, your side dishes, individual portions, again, maybe just for the 2 of you. Stunning. Again, snap-on storage covers. And then we hear time and time again, can we have the ramekins? Can we have the individual portions? We have included those as well. 4 10-ounce ramekins that you can use for side dishes, dippers, anything, sauces, all with snap-on storage covers. 10 unique pieces in a pattern, as you mentioned, that we are completely retiring from our collection.
Yeah, Basketweave is not coming back. This is going to be something very, very special. Now, our quarters are a little tight right here by the wall, but we're going to do our best to show you colors. Now, this is the spice. We'll try to shoot these from the side. There we go. Oh, this is Floral Lace Spice. 7 dozen. And beneath that is the 3, 2, 1, downbeat, chocolate. Yeah. 150 in the chocolate. Then we take you into cranberry. 200 left. Here's the red. 230 the green. 275. Then the eggplant. 3 dozen in the eggplant. Beneath that is the blue. I have 12 blue left. Light blue. 200 left. Now come up top and let's talk Old World. Now, confetti is the set that we showed you, the entire what you get. 6 dozen, all I have left in confetti. These are being retired for good. Get yours while the getting is good. Now here is your Old World Blue, 350, Old World Eggplant. Fewer than 200. Here's the green, 3 dozen, 36 sets left in that green. Here's red, 350, and cranberry, 175. Then the brown, 250, the spice, 250, and finally the black. 6 dozen remaining. What you should be aware of is that this price only good until end of day today or until your color and pattern choice sells out, whichever happens first. I'm right here by the wall. Let me move over here. All right, so lots to share with you. We're going to keep you updated on those. Some of those are very, very limited. Let me remind you again, being retired will not be reordered. This is your opportunity to bring home a 10-piece set just in time for the holidays with free shipping and handling. Speaking of holidays, Tara, how about use that liddet to bring out your beautiful spiral cut ham for the holidays?
Yeah, absolutely, David. And that size is such a great, unique size because, again, it'll hold about a 15-pound turkey and it'll hold about a 12 to 15-pound ham. So what's great about that is that lid, it replaces your cookie sheet and your cutting board and your serving platter, and it's completely sculptural. If you want to bake in here, how perfect. You can take your KitchenAid hand mixer, mix everything right in that 13x9 baker where we make all of our sheet cakes, we make our brownies, we make all of those great, beautiful desserts. But it's perfect for all of those ooey gooey sticky things, Mama Mancini meatballs that you want to reheat and heat, you can put right in there. It's absolutely amazing.
Now, Tara, we have sold out of blue floral lace.
Always our
Which
most
means
popular.
It's gone forever. I'm going to hide it under here, Alana, so that we'll just keep that out of sight. Now, confetti is going to be the next to go. I have 12 sets left in confetti. Eggplant floral lace, 2 dozen left. We've had 300 sets ordered. Choose your color and your pattern because these are going quickly, and when they're gone for good. Now, Tara, if you want to talk about this gorgeous Christmas cake, I'm going to run to the oven. So we'll come in close here, and you talk to us about cake while I run to the oven.
Yeah, so I was just talking before that because it's stoneware, it's naturally nonstick. So you don't need butters or oils or any extra added fats. What we love about stoneware is baking in it. So you can take that KitchenAid hand mixer. When we say metal utensil safe, mix that cake batter right in there, put it in the oven. These pieces go in the oven up to 500 degrees, and then you bake something as beautiful as that. You ice that cake. You then bring that cake to the table and serve right from it. You're coming out of a piping hot oven. You have those helper handles there on the side. You're going to drop it right inside its carrier. That's protecting your table, but it's also protecting your hands when you want to go ahead and pass that beautiful, ooey gooey, cheesy potato bake.
With bacon. Don't forget the bacon.
Of course.
All right, so we are super, super busy. We just lost confetti. So confetti back here is gone from the What You Get. So, guys, do we have another set for What You Get? I'm guessing not. Oh, we do? Okay, perfect. I'm going to hide these under here. I'm running out of room, Tara.
10 pieces. But you know the best part, David? When you nest that whole side set down, all you're storing is that 13x9 baker. I have all 10 pieces right in front of me. Look at this. Pick it up by the helper handles of the carriers, and I can tuck this away anywhere I want. Love that.
Now, Tara, can you go through the sets in front of you while we reset this What You Get?
I would love to.
Oh, green just sold out. Okay. Oh, heavens. Okay, so let me just, okay, let's all take a breath. All right, so what, are we sold out of the green? All right, green Old World is gone. Okay, so Alana, I'm gonna put this here. Actually, I'll put it back here on the table.
Getting a workout tonight.
So Tara, you go through the What You Get, and while we're gonna try to reorganize.
So we start with our single most requested, most used baking dish in the kitchen, and that's your 4-quart 13x9 baker. With Temp-tations, the part that makes us so unique is that we include what we call a lid. That's the trivet for underneath, or it's the lid for on top. So now when I want to do my lasagna and my garlic knots, I can now have double duty cooking right inside here. But we also included our second most requested used baking piece, and that's our 2.5-quart 11x7. So love that you have those two key pieces. But we also included 2 of our 1.5-quart side dishes. Or if it's maybe just you or the 2 of you, that actually becomes your entree. And then we included 4 of your 10-ounce ramekins. And what I love the best is that everything's going to store right down inside each other. Snap-on storage covers on everything. And you literally can prep, bake, serve, and store in all of these pieces.
Oh, Tara.
Yes, David.
Ooh, heavens. I think we need this lid, this plastic one right here. Yeah, that plastic storage cover right there, Alana. Thank you. All right, so, oh, Tara. I think we got it back together.
We put Humpty Dumpty back together. 10 pieces is a lot of beautiful hand-painted stoneware that I love is on free shipping and handling. Are you kidding? 10 pieces of stoneware?
10 pieces of stoneware shipping for free to your home. Okay, we're gonna go through Old World first. Old World Brown, 225. Thank goodness. Okay, 225 in the brown. In the Old World Blue, and we'll try to shoot this from the side. Old World Blue, 200. Old World Eggplant, 150. Old World Red, 300. Old World Cranberry, 100. Here's the spice, 220, and Old World Black. Fewer than 2 dozen. Down below is Floral Lace. And Floral Lace and the spice, 4 dozen. And in Tara, 3, 2, 1, chocolate. Thank you. 120. Here's the cranberry. 150 red. 180 green. 230 eggplant. Eggplant just sold out. And 150 left in the light blue. So, Tara, to your point, 10 pieces of stoneware is shipping with free shipping and handling. Absolutely free shipping and handling. We're excited about this deal, but only good until end of day today or until your color sells out. And we've already had several sell out. In fact, now we've taken orders for 900 sets are gone. Tara, when you put a deal on TV, you put a deal on TV.
Well, you know what it is, David. Not only do you have all of that sculptural detail, the hand painting, the real beauty of the Temp-tations brand, but it's embossed. So it means it comes to life. So these beautiful pieces, these unique pieces that match back to all of the old world and all of the floral lace that you've been collecting, family of colors, this adds so much personality, whether you're doing, you know, meatballs from Mama Mancini's, or you're baking breads in here, or you have your side dishes. We're truly, as we retire this pattern in this collection, trying to give you all of the pieces that you might need for your everyday meals, for your big holiday meals, or for your more smaller, intimate holidays that I think we're all celebrating this year.
Oh, Tara, I was just checking out the cheesy, bacony potatoes, but also showing you nothing sticking. Thanks to that really fantastic glaze on the inside of Temp-tations. Tara, we just lost another color. Black.
David.
Black in the old world is gone. All right, black is gone.
Guys, this is incredible.
Tara.
Yes.
We have now taken orders for 1,200 are gone. This price will go away at end of day or when your color and pattern sells out, and this is all we have remaining up top and down below. I can tell you that we're very, very busy. If you want to find what colors are remaining, check it out on QVC.com. Go to this item number, K49030. Free shipping expires end of day, price expires end of day, or it could expire if your color sells out first. Tara, you're coming back with more. We'll see you soon, okay?
Yes, I will. See you shortly.
Thank you, darling.
Bye-bye.
All right. Woo! Is it time for the food of the month? All right, let's talk crab cakes. Let's go. Well, I tell you what, I should have worn tennis shoes tonight. Woo! It's busy. All right, here we go. So, this is our food of the month for December. And this